Greetings everybody, Nickie Brown here. So today I decided to make some sweet potatoes, and at the last minute I added a few apples just to add some more sweetness. I also added nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Pure vanilla is that. And I'm going to add a little bit of water and just let them cook down. Basically the same concept as home fries. So instead of making the sweet potatoes in the oven, I decided to cook them on the stove top. Again, which is basically like making home fries. So they are cooking down. And letting some of them get a little brown. And I'm just going to add maybe a very shallow amount of water. And I'm going to enjoy. I hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.